Welcome back to another episode of my new self-care series where we are putting ourselves back on the priority list. As moms, wives, girlfriends, just hardworking women, okay, we often pour into everyone else and we leave very little for ourselves. Well, I'm sticking with my 10-minute morning routine, and today is beginner's yoga, a moment just for me so I can tap in and be present. The past 2 years, I've put everyone else first, my kids, work, my husband, but I'm finally making myself a priority again. This is not about shit looking perfect or some aesthetically pleasing routine. It's about growth and showing up for myself every single day. Because I want to be better, y'all. So I challenge myself to stay focused on me while even in the middle of chaos and busy mom life, because we all know moms really don't get a break, but we deserve to prioritize our mental health and show our families that we value ourselves. If you've been neglecting yourself like so many of us do, I encourage you to take this journey with me. Take just 10 minutes every morning to care for you because you're worth it. Tap in with me, be a fly on my wall, and see if this mommy can just chill out, focus on herself so that I can recharge. Okay. Are you done with your eggs? No. Okay, you're not eating your eggs? Are you not eating them? Okay, we're not going to go and reward you if you're not eating your breakfast. So, what's going on here? Because you're disturbing my yoga, and you're supposed to be doing your eggs, eating your eggs, and you're not doing that. So what are we doing here? Well, I don't do it now. Please do that, okay? I shouldn't hear you talking. I should hear you chewing, okay? Let me see it. You know, if I could just be honest with y'all, it was really hard for me to want to post this video, mainly because, I see myself in my most vulnerable state where I'm just like, just a little overwhelmed, just a little frustrated, But that's life. That's just how it's going to be sometimes. And if I want to be real and if I want to continue to focus on me and I want to continue to grow, then I need to be able to see me in those most vulnerable moments when I don't think I'm my best self, right? And that may be, to me, when I'm not, cheery or I don't have the most energy or whatever. But, sometimes you got to focus on those moments where you need the most growth and show that so that you can really grow and stop trying to hide behind it. So this one right here, we're gonna put this out. This is my favorite stretch, I promise you. Bye. Because it gets you all up in here, and I have so much tension in my body. So this one right here is a really good one for me. I love this one. Adira, stop! Now! So the sole purpose of me starting my series was for me to be more in tune with myself and to set boundaries for myself and for my kids and for my family, because I was spazzing. Because I don't know how to say no. I don't know how to step away. I don't know how to just focus on me, as you see. Because right now I want to like go all up in this little situation, right? This right here, he's not eating his breakfast. I want to handle that. Twins in there, I want to handle that. But it's like, this is literally the only time that I'm supposed to be not doing that. So why can I not? Everyone is safe, right? So why can't I not focus? It's almost like, you know how you just have an addiction to something and you just keep going back and keep going back because you can't control yourself? I feel like I can't control myself. Like I have to like be in the mix of always parenting. And I don't know how to turn it off. I don't know how to turn it off sometimes. Because there's going to come a time where you look and you're like, damn, how long has it been since I've done something for myself? Or why am I spazzing so much? Why am I so tense? Why am I so angry? Why am I so upset? Why am I so frustrated? Why am I so tired, depleted? You're not recharging, honey. Honey? Yeah. They got a coin in there. I didn't ask you to go. I asked you to eat your eggs, sir. So I started doing yoga to release some of this tension and also to practice focusing on myself. It's so We're in day 9. But I must admit though, this is becoming my favorite time of the morning. Because before, like, I couldn't stand my mornings because it was just constantly going from one task to the next. But now it's like I have something in my morning to look forward to. And I kind of dig that. And now, almost like at day 9, it's like my family is now starting to expect this from me. Can you sit down at the table, please? It's like my family is now starting to expect this from me, which is good. Because then now maybe they'll be more, you know, respectful of me when I am doing my stretching or my yoga. Because this is new for everybody. Like, mommy not being on call is new for everybody. Give me the sound machine, mommy. Give me the sound machine.
You want my thing?
Yeah, I need a dang time machine. Give me the sound machine, baby. Thank you so much. Good job. Thank you.
In my hair, I think it made you a drop on his head.
No, she's not gonna drop it. Ooh, that was a nice little hop.
Okay, where's your socks?
I don't know, what's that?
I have them.
Okay.
They're right here.
Okay.
Where's the spider?
You still haven't finished your food?
Baby,
Come on, bro.
baby, I've been
I
telling
took a
them.
whole shower.
I've been
Let's
telling them.
go.
I've been telling them.
Nah. I'm gonna let you do it at once.
Them some good eggs too.
Yeah.
You know they ain't just the shortest on the
I
eggs.
know. You got one bite left. Eat that, man. Eat that in one bite. And you're done. So you can stop it. Come on.
Yeah, I want that.
All right, man. Shouldn't take you an hour to eat breakfast.
Mommy.
Yes.
You should.
Okay. Put your socks on and you put your shoes on.
Mommy, go eat this.
Yeah.
Eat this.
get dressed?
Yeah, those are your
Ready to
brothers.
go?
Those are LJ's.
Okay. So Jira ready to go. Jira need to get her hair done. She's almost ready. Namaste.
I want to buy some jeans like LJ's. The light,
My little.
the light blue ones, you know what I'm talking about?
Something like those right there. Okay. Woo, you know, like the, let me stop.
Oh, man, I'm not bad. I'm over here going off of him and you live.
You're not going off. You were just being a father. You didn't say anything rude or disrespectful. You were just handling your business. Happy Sunday, y'all. As you see, I did not do a very good job focusing today. But that's okay, right? Every day is different. You're going to have your challenges. Tomorrow will be better. I will be more present, more in tune with my body and with what I'm doing. Because I ain't gonna front with you. I wasn't even there. I wasn't even over there doing yoga. I was like looking over there. I was over here. I was in my brain thinking, yeah, I just wasn't here today. I wasn't present today. But that's okay. Give yourself compassion, and God's gonna bless us with another day.
Of course.
Right. So as y'all see, my babies is ready to go. They got their shoes. It's Sunday, so it's gonna be a little family outing time right now, where we gotta get the twins out the house, and we have to get LJ out on the soccer field.
That's me.
And that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's the vibe for today. Please get away from my phone and my please. All right, y'all. Have a beautiful day.